Intersection of two arrays.
Given two integer arrays, return an array of their intersection. 4 exists in both the arrays, and 9 exists in both the arrays. So we return the intersection 4 and 9. We will solve this in O of n plus m time, where n is the length of list 1, and m is the length of list 2. First, we convert list 1 into a hash set. Then we iterate through list 2. If the element exists in the set, then we add it to our list. If the element does not exist in the set, then we do not add it to our list. Again, the element exists in our set, so we add it to our list. Now we come across a duplicate element, and we would have incorrectly added it to our list. To avoid this, every time we added an element to the list, we remove it from the set. This way, when we come across a duplicate element, it won't exist in our set, and therefore we would not add it to our list.
And here's the code to do so. Please like and follow for more.